Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how you can reduce the size of your videos without losing the quality. There is a very popular free program, it's called Handbrake. It is open source video transcoder, so you can download it for Windows or it is also available for Linux. If we visit the download page, you can see download Handbrake 1.2.2 for Ubuntu dev. So you can download the dev file or you can also click other platforms. Now you can download it for Mac OS, Windows, Linux, and Flatpak is also available, and some other options. You can download the dev file or you can simply go to start and search for terminal. And you need to type this command in case of Linux, Ubuntu Linux or any other distribution based on Linux. Ubuntu apt get install Handbrake. So this is the command to install Handbrake. Now you need to type your password if you are using Linux, and then you can see this process will take some time, but here you can see Handbrake is already the newest version, so I have already installed this one. That's why you can see this message, Handbrake is already the newest version. So now I'm going to close this one. So after downloading this one, we need to change the size. If I go to my folder, here you can see I have a video file. Actually it's an Android screen recording, and the size of this file is 235 MB. So let's launch Handbrake and open our source file. Now we need to the web optimized, and I'm not going to change other settings, leave them as default, but you can also explore all these settings. Here you can see the RF H22, so you can set the desired quality factor. The encoder targets a certain quality. The scale used by each video encoder is different. X264 scale is logarithmic, sorry for my pronunciation, logarithmic, and lower values correspond to higher quality. So you can read this information. And here you can see audio option. If you want to remove the audio from your video, you can also click this option to remove the audio, so your final video won't have audio. You can also add or upload your subtitle file, and you can see some other options. So you can, under tags, you can add your title, actor, and some other information. Now click start, and this process will take some time, depends on your system speed. The great thing about Handbrake is that you will reduce the size of your videos without losing the quality, and then you can upload them on YouTube or any other free channel. It will save your bandwidth and data as well. So here you can see, if I will upload this video directly, it will use 235 MB of my data. And let's see what will be the final size of our video. So here you can see the message encoding is done. So let's see the final video. And here you can see the final size. Now it's only 17.3 MB. So let me play this video for you. So this is the quality of my video. Let me open this pen in a full screen mode. And let's close this one. And this is our first video, the original video Total size is 235 MB. You can see it here. And let's open this one, and you can see. So you can see the size difference and how Handbrake works. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more Linux videos.